I fully expect that, Asmo. My knife skills are, I'm not a chef. Brez says every time he sees me cut something that I make rustic dishes and I should charge more for them because they're rustic. I agree. Because it's definitely not professionally cut. But it's going to taste good though. That's all that matters. Yeah.
I think it's supposed to be half, but let's just do the whole thing.
Yeah.
It's a small onion.
I have a carrot on my finger. What that? Oh, pour that in there?
Half of it.
Half in.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Recipe.
Mm-hmm. Beard, where's your apron? I don't have one. Remember, I cut it off in December.
I can't open the burger powder.
Oh. What else?
You see the onion stuff?
Oh, I didn't read.
I gave it to
Reading is fundamental.
I gave it to you.
Hmm?
It's here. You're gonna pickle the onion.
Slice of onion, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of water, a pinch of salt. No, okay.
Dude, they give us so much spices for these things. That is a lot of curry.
And I say, should we set up a GoFundMe on page for Beard's Apron, or maybe just on OnlyFans?
I think I have a bunch of extra aprons in California. I just have my parents send me one.
OnlyFans for just the apron and nothing else? Damn! Maybe an Amazon wish list? Bro. I would want... let's see. What would be the ideal apron? I want a unicorn farting out a rainbow apron. That's reasonable, right?